Let's go.
Yes, happiness. Happiness. Happiness is a beautiful thing. Happiness too sweet. It's good to be happy, my brother. Happiness is priceless. Remember, happiness, you cannot use money to buy happiness. You are the master, the king, the right owner of your life. So it is necessary for everyone to be happy. And now, it's true, I'm telling you. If you do not give yourself happiness, my brother, my sister, you are dead. If you do not give yourself happiness, my brother, my sister, you are dead. And I believe it or not, you know why I hold this stick? You know why I hold them? No fear. I hold them in the sense that any demon, any witch, any wizard that no one make me happy, I will give am. Any wizard, anything that said I will not be happy, I will give am like this. Because happiness na the only key to success. Yes, if you don't know, let me make you understand this. Happiness is the key to success. When you are happy, you have opened the door to the universe to connect to you. Anytime when they are happy, you don't open door for universe, for blessings to come. In the morning when you wake up, always wake up with happiness. Remember what I said, happiness is priceless. You don't buy it with money. It's a gift. It's a natural gift. So today, I am dancing to pass this message to you people, to make you understand that the only success you have is happiness. Don't always kill yourself. Don't always worry yourself for something that you don't have. Always worry yourself for something that you don't have. And now, appreciate what you have now. Anything you have now, that is what you appreciate. Be happy for the little that you have. Be happy that you can breathe. Be happy that you can see. Be happy that you can walk. Be happy that you can dance. Be happy that God has provided something for you to eat. Don't worry yourself and say, I never get this one. I never get that one for waiting. And you need to give yourself happiness. I don't see so many people where they get money, but they need to be happy. Sometimes I ask myself, why? Why people need to be happy? Why? Why you cannot give yourself a simple happiness? Do you know what happiness do? Happiness kills some deadly bacteria in your body. Happiness make you forget everything that is negativity. Happiness make you forget everything that is negativity. Happiness brings success. Happiness brings open door. Happiness brings good thing in your life. And now me they tell you, it's good to be happy, my brother. Happiness wey you see, if you dey happy, the way you walk out for street, people go want connect with you. People go want do something with you because wetin your face na laughter, your name na happiness, everything about you na success. My brother, it's very good to be happy. Always be happy. Let your body dey totori you. Dey totori your body. Let your body dey totori you every day. I know say challenges dey, but don't let your challenges weigh you down. Because if that challenges dey come, look the challenges as kindergarten. Use happiness, mash am. Yes, na me dey tell you, if challenges come your side, now, if challenges dey come your side, laugh the challenges like kindergarten. Use happiness, match the challenges. Because once you use happiness conquer your challenges, now open door and be the next result. Because there's a word that said, in every dark night, there is a joyful morning. That is why you see me, I dey dance, I hold this water, I hold this thing. You know why I hold on? Because any demon wey say make I no happy, I go give her igbosa. Yes, na me dey tell you, I no dey promote violence. No, this one no be for anybody. This one no be to hit anybody. This one na to march away worried. You go use and march away worried. This one na to march away worried. You understand? This one, this message of this time, the message of this one na to do like this. Wipe away worried. You don't see where people they play golf. They go do like this. They go do like this. But they go hit that thing. They go enter inside the hole. Now, worried. Now they wipe away like that. So now the message of this one, you use this one to wipe away your worried. Listen, my brother. Listen, let me tell you something. You have every reason in life to be happy. I dey tell you with confidence. You have every reason in life to be happy. I will give you one example. When your mama born you, you no born you with any money. You no born you with any clothes. You no born you with any car. You no born you with any house. Your mama born you naked. You come into this world naked. So you have every right to be happy. Make money later. You go still die. And when you die, they no go bury you with any money. So tell me why you no go happy? Why you no go keep happiness for your face? It is necessary to be happy. Happiness is the only key to health. Happiness is the only key to success. Happiness is the only key to every good things. Once you are happy, every other thing will come. Always be happy. Always put smile in your face. In anything, tell God, thank you. I am grateful. I am wonderful. I am blessed. I am the most greatest. I am the most blessed. Always be happy. See that happiness. That happiness. Always put happiness. That happiness, always put it first every day in your life. Put happiness first every day in your life. Yes, let me tell you, when you put happiness first in your life, you will see something that you don't even imagine that thing will locate you. That thing will be locating you. Yes, now, because what? There is something called the universe. The universe works with happiness. And every human being, the universe go to us. You understand? So, and the universe love where there is happiness. When they come to you, you will see your heart that you are always happy, you are always smiling, and it will bring good things to you. And anything you message in the universe, you will take it straight to God. Straight to God with happiness. It will take that thing that you message him. or her, the angels which you call the universe, you will take it to God directly. And the message will go with smile. The message will go with smile. You see, the universe will deliver that message with happiness, because the universe works with happiness. And immediately your message is being delivered, and you see everything in your life started working out. So let me tell you one secret today. Follow me, my people, my brother, my sister, my father, my mother, my friends, my followers. Listen to me very well. Let me tell you one secret. If anything wants to weigh you down, don't drink alcohol, stay away from alcohol. Anything wants to weigh you down, play the most beautiful song you know that can give you a positive set of body. You understand? Play a beautiful song that will change your body system. You're thinking of negativity that is making you sad. Play a beautiful song that will narrate a different. Play a beautiful song that will narrate a different story about your body language. And dance, 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 dance away your sorrow, dance away your worries, dance away everything. Dance away everything that does not belong to happiness. Remove it away because it's not for you. So what is my message? Always be happy. Happiness is so good. My brother, call this DJ.